In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay someone using PayPal's Goods and Services feature. Whether you're purchasing a handmade item, commissioning art, or simply engaging in a secure transaction, this method ensures protection for both buyer and seller. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to navigate to PayPal's website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in paypal.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the signing in process. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. Make sure your information is correct as you input it, and then go ahead and click login to access your account dashboard. If you haven't set up a PayPal account yet, you will need to create one to proceed with transactions. Once you're logged in, locate the Pay and Get Paid option. It's typically found in the main menu of your dashboard. Clicking on this will provide you with various payment options. Here, your next step is to select Send Payments from the available choices. This option allows you to start the process of paying someone. In the next screen, you'll be asked to enter the email address of the person you're sending money to. Ensure that this is the correct and active email address associated with their PayPal account, as this is crucial for completing a successful transaction. Proceed to enter the amount of money you wish to send. Double check the amount to avoid any mistakes. It's always important to verify the details at every step to ensure accuracy. Now click on Next. This will take you to a screen where you'll choose the payment type. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting for goods and services. This option is designed to offer purchase protection for the buyer, as it denotes that you're paying for a product or service. After choosing the payment type, click on Continue. This will lead you to the final step of selecting your payment method. PayPal provides flexibility here, allowing you to pay using a linked bank account, credit or debit card, or your existing PayPal balance. Choose the method that suits your needs best, and there you have it. You've successfully initiated a payment using PayPal's Goods and Services feature. It's always a good practice to keep a screenshot or note of the transaction for your records. PayPal will also send a confirmation email detailing the transaction, providing added assurance. By following these steps, you ensure that your transaction is protected under PayPal's buyer protection policies, giving you peace of mind whether you're buying or selling online. Thanks for watching, and happy PayPaling.